Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the tag and your phone. Insert the CR2032 battery or replace a dead cell. You should hear a beep or see an LED blink which confirms power. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone. Open the SmartThings app. You need the app signed into your Samsung account, so if prompted, sign in now. This primes the tag and app to discover each other quickly and avoids pairing delays later. Now you pair the tag to your account. In SmartThings, tap the plus icon and add device, select Samsung and Smart Tag. Bring the tag within 1 meter of your phone, press and hold the tag button until the LED blinks rapidly. Once SmartThings detects the tag, it will show an on-screen prompt. Follow it to name the tag, assign it to a room, and grant required permissions. Because location and Bluetooth are active, the app completes setup automatically. This also enables tracking and ring functionality. Finish by testing and configuring features. You should tap ring in SmartThings to make the tag play a sound, then move it and watch the location update on the map. Once satisfied, set notify on separation or create safe zones to avoid false alerts. If the tag isn't detected, restart your phone first. If that fails, remove the battery briefly or perform a tag reset and repair. This troubleshooting step resolves most connection issues and gets you tracking reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.